Hi, I'm Ani with JoolTool, and in this series I'm going to show you how to grind, repair, and polish stones. To repair any scratches or chips, you should use your microfinishing diamond kit. Here I'm using the 20 micron, which is marked very fine. I'll run it at medium to low speed with a little bit of water. Just dab it, apply some water to the disc and to the stone, and you hold it right in the center. And give it the much needed cut to smooth and remove the scratches. It's very wise to take a good look at it here if there's any scratches, because from this stage on we're going to head straight to the Pro Diamond Kit, which only brings the stone to a high polish. We're going to start off with the 1800. That is considered step 1. You run this very slow, again with water. And here's a helpful tip. You might want to, if it's a dark stone, use a silver Sharpie just in the beginning until you get the hang of how to hold the stone. But the stone should be non-porous surface. And you can see right here how the stone is polishing up, so you don't miss a single little spot. This is the finish at 1800, and then we'll continue on with step 2 at 3000 grit. Again, running slow with water. I roll, I teeter-totter, I lift and I twist. As long as you keep a nice pressure up against the wheel, you're going to get a nice finish using the 3M diamond. Now you're going to see much more shine using the 8000, which is step 3. Never use the edge of the disc because it can give you uneven cuts. Always use the center and mid area of the disc. This is at 8000. Now 50,000, which is the next step, and cerium oxide will take you to that high luster finish. And even if you have fine scratches, you can only just use these wheels and you'll be fine. This is at 50,000 dry. Cerium oxide is impregnated in a disc form made by 3M. Again, run very slow with lots of water. Cerium oxide loves water. And you see there's a little bit of a white discharge off of the disc, and that's what you want to achieve, is that nice slurry effect, because that is the high polishing compound within the cerium oxide. And this is your final result. A high quality, better than lab finish. This is an agate with about an 8 to 9 level of hardness. So any stone that is in the sapphire ruby world, like the corundum family, the diamond abrasives by 3M can handle it. And of course, anything softer is a breeze.